Luca's playing Wii.
Back team. Game point.
Dad's got his sign out here. It says, con compra del café, el casito es gratis. Same thing on this side. Mom's sign. And we're open.
Game point.
Take this game.
We got the lights up, lights on.
What? Oh.
I was cleaning the counters. Muffins, coffee. Mom! I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
Mom's back here in action. Yum.
These are chicken wings from last night.
Yum. Ooh, I like those ones. And this is the kitchen. World's smallest kitchen, as Luca would say.
Smallest kitchen.
But it works. What?
You did not hear this racist game. They call me the black team. Call me